Hi guys, so I wanted to make this really quick video on how to do the limit as t approaches 0 of the square root of 2 minus t minus the square root of 2 all over t. So this is the derivative, by the way. Basically, we're going to simplify this expression and basically we're going to simplify this limit. So we're going to go ahead and do we have, we're gonna multiply by the conjugate. So we're gonna put times the square root, and so the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2 over the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2. So this becomes, so we have the square root of 2 minus t quantity squared minus 2, right? Because it's using the sum and difference pattern, right? So this becomes, actually let me do it this way. So the square root of 2 squared, like that. And then we're going to put on the bottom, we're going to put t times 2 minus t, so the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2, right? So that's what we're going to put on the bottom. And then we're going to have 2 minus t minus 2 all over t times the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2, right? So then we're going to get 2, so we're going to get 2 minus 2 minus t, right? So we have a 2, a negative t, and a negative 2, right? So 2 minus 2 minus t, the 2 minus 2 cancels out. We're left with t times the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2 on the bottom. And then the negative t cancels out, so negative t over t times the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2, right? So then the negative t cancels out. We are left with negative 1 over the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2, right? So now this is going to be the limit as t approaches 0 of negative 1 over 2 over the square root of 2 minus t plus the square root of 2 equals negative 1 over 2 minus 0, the square root of 2 minus 0, plus the square root of 2, right? Which gives us negative 1 over the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2, which gives us negative 1 over 2 square root 2, right? Now if you want to get rid of the conjugate, or get rid of the square root on the bottom, you can either have this, or you can have, so you're going to get negative 1 over 2 square root 2, and then you're going to go ahead and multiply times the square root of 2 on top and bottom. So this is going to be negative 2, or negative square root 2 over 2 is 2. Because, again, the square root of 2 and the square root of 2, if they're multiplied, the square root just cancels out, right? So then this becomes negative square root of 2 over 4. So this is the limit. So the limit as t equals 0 of, and it was the square root of 2 minus t, so, sorry guys, square root of 2 minus t minus square root of 2 all over t, I think, yes, equal to negative square root over 4. Okay guys, so that is how you do this problem. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video whenever I can, because I have classes now, and so yeah. So I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Oh, and please join my